Using the Multiflow Trigger, you can trigger any of your existing flows from the flow builder. This allows you to create your flows in a more modular manner, creating small subflows for repetitive processes. To use the Multiflow Trigger, open its form and paste the IDs of the flows you want to run in here. You can even run multiple flows at once by pasting in multiple IDs comma separated. Also in this overview, you will see a button to launch the flow asynchronously. What this means is that when this is activated, your flows will not wait for the other flows to finish, but instead your current flow will keep on running while the other flows will be executed in the background. If this is not activated, you will be able to use the results of the flows that you're triggering here in the further steps of this flow. You can reference any previous run step even in the flows you are triggering, or if the flow is running synchronously, you can reference any steps from the flows that have been executed. You can imagine this as everything being one large flow when it is actually being executed. You can either use the Multiflow Trigger in the beginning of your flow to pull data from another flow, or somewhere during your flow to take care of a repetitive task, or in the end of your flow to trigger a follow-up task, for example, that should be executed from different flows. Using the Multiflow Trigger to break your flows down into smaller subflows can be a great way of making large projects more manageable, reusing the same flow logic for separate tasks, or executing multiple workflow asynchronously. Thanks and have a good day.